All right, so I'm going to show you and demonstrate here how we're going to machine and cut out this mortise. We've already laid out our mortise lines for where it's going to be on both sides of our table leg. So, and we're using a Forstner bit, a 1/4 inch Forstner bit to make this mortise. So I've got everything set. I'm just going to make a series of holes in this side, turn it around and make a series of holes in the other side for it. So we'll turn it on. I want to come down. Remember I said about laying out that center line earlier, because we want to go off of that center line. And we're going to stay away from the edges as we go through and cut this. Now, we want to peck drill that out. Come back in on the next one. We're going to basically remove all of this material as we go through. Got a pretty long mortise here. It's about 2 inches long, and of course we're only going in with a 1/4 inch bit, so it'll take you a little time to kind of draw out all of these holes. We're going 1 inch deep, which is what our blueprint called for, so you got to read your prints. Make sure that your prints, that you're making it according to the print that you're going off of. Notice I'm getting all these chips, which is good. We want all those chips to come out of that hole. And I'm about to make the last one here. And again, stay away from your layout lines. So let me get the chips out of that. Okay. So you'll see here how I've got that cut out. So staying away from my layout lines. Now we're going to turn it over. We're going to do the same thing on the other side here. Come on in here, pick up that center line, and just start drilling your holes all the way down that mortise. And we're just cleaning that material out so we got a nice rectangular slot or groove that we can put that board in and join these pieces together when we're ready. Okay. All right, so now I've got both of those taken out. We'll get rid of those chips. The next step then will be to take our chisel and go in and clean these up to the line, and we'll custom fit our tenon so that we get our mortise and tenon joint on both of these with our legs.